Where is it?
I don't know. I think it ran up there.
You thought you got rid of them?
Yeah. I think it went up in there.
I don't think we're gonna be able to get it, honey. There's no way if it's hiding in here. There's a mouse in our car. It's really bad.
It went up in there.
Yeah, there's no way. There's all kinds of
could
little
have gone under there, but
compartments and.
is there a hole?
That's one way to begin a trip to town. We'll just have to do the sensible thing and the thing that anyone else would do and set mouse traps in the van. Is the light good for my skin? I think I'm backlit. Maybe you can point it back this way. What's that? We're on our way to Brighton's doctor appointment for his arm. As most of y'all remember, he broke his arm about 3 weeks ago now.
4 weeks.
4 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, we went to an appointment and they did x-rays and they said his arm's kind of displaced and crooked again.
Yeah, it was really disheartening.
It was disheartening and it was really rough for him because they took the cast off and they actually attempted to straighten his arm with their hands, which was
very sad.
He cried a lot for a few minutes and then put a new cast back on, trying to hold it straight. So we're hoping today to find out that his arm is still in the position they want it in and is healing appropriately.
So we may find out though that he has to have surgery to hold the bones in place. And we're just really hoping that that's not the case.
Yep.
I'm really worried, but I'm also like ready to know what's going on.
Yeah, tell us something, buddy. It says, please use caution. Bears are active this time of year. Be aware of your surroundings. At the doctor's office, bears. Yes, there actually are bears that come right into Asheville. Waiting for an x-ray. Done with x-ray, not a bit of crying.
Miraculously.
Good job, buddy. I like the colors, the green and the yellow. Any bears, Justice? You keep a lookout for bears. And let us know if you see any. Waiting for the doctor. So honestly, we've never had to wait very long.
I think we do today because the rooms are full and the waiting room was full, and it never is. We never have this late of an appointment. We always have a morning.
What did you just say about doctors?
I said no.
You said doctors not remember my name, right?
Doctors never remember your name.
They don't remember your birthday either. They always ask you, don't they?
I just thought that statement was so observant. Because, you know, every time you're at a doctor's office or the hospital, you get asked constantly, what's your name, what's your birthday, what's your name, what's your birthday?
Brighton, you hear that?
You're the next one. Please get off.
You get a short cast today and 1 more month and you're good to go.
What's on your arm? Waterproof cast. And there's your old cast, huh? All done with that one. You ready to go?
It's too hard.
You want to show that to Daddy?
No.
Brighton just got his new cast on and it's waterproof. I am so thankful. He also does not need surgery. It is still slightly displaced, but the doctor said he's so young that it will actually heal and straighten all by itself. So it's very relieving.
Mama, no one will go out.
Your cast is heavy? He's outside playing. We gotta find the snacks. They're in the car. We're done! And a waterproof one. Yep. Yeah, he can do whatever he wants to in water. You just get in there.
Does it not get wet or does it dry out?
it's a different lining. The cast itself is fine, it's the under part.
Wow.
No way! Let me see that arm.
And I get to step in water.
Yeah!
You want to take a bath tomorrow?
Yeah, no.
Right
Let's
now?
go. Let's get you out of
Let's
this.
go. Yeah, he didn't want to wear his jacket.
Exploring an abandoned house behind Target. Look, you're on the front porch right now, Grace, I'm pretty sure. And then there's the house and the chimney, old concrete steps that come down to the street. There's the old mailbox. We all made it home. Brighton took a bath.
Hallelujah.
He can take a bath now with that cast. He had a few, but they were awkward.
Me and my buddy. The polar vortex disrupted. So if you live in the eastern United States, expect really cold weather starting consistently at the end of January, beginning of February. And we're getting some of it right now, but it won't be consistent until the end of January, beginning of February. And that is important information for homesteaders because you all know most of us haven't had to deal with much frozen water this year, but we're about to. Arthur's shaking his head because he knows.
You all have a good night. Thank you for watching.